Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from the three different type of state university affiliated colleges, and here the UGC NET is not required or it is not mandatory here. Okay, so we will see the notifications or the paper advertisement regarding all these three different types of colleges. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. So, and I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the first college is Kristu Jyoti Institute of Technology and Science. So it is affiliated to the JNTUH, and the applications for the post of professors, associate and assistant professors and technical assistants are invited in CSC, ECE, EEE, Mechanical, Civil and Humanity and Science. The subjects are Chemistry, English, Mathematics, Physics and MEFA. Departments for MTech and BTech courses. The applicants should have qualifications as per ACT and JNTUH norms, and the interested candidates may send their resumes to the principal@cjits.org on or before 23rd December 2020. And the shortlisted candidates will be directly called for the interview, and the PhD candidates will be given as a preference. And if you are having any queries regarding this notification, then you may call to this number, that is 9346474916. Okay, it is the first college. And coming to the second college is Knight College of Arts and Commerce, Kolhapur. So application with the necessary documents are invited for the following post in our college, and eligible candidates are required to apply on or before 26th December 2020, and they may attend the walk-in interview scheduled on 28th December 2020 at 4 p.m. in the college premises. So here the Marathi assistant professor 2 full-time are there, and English assistant professor 2 full-time vacancies are there, and the qualifications as per the Government of Maharashtra and Shivaji University. So the above posts are on contract and purely on temporary basis for the academic year 2020-21. And if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, then you may contact the number 0231 and 2640157. Okay, so it is a number, and it is announcement done on 16th December 2020. Fine. And the third one is Rajiv Gandhi College of Engineering, Research and Technology, Chandrapur. And here applications are invited for the post of assistant professor in departments of civil, mechanical, mining, computer science and engineering, applied sciences and humanities. And the eligibility is minimum PG in relevant subject with first class in engineering, general science, geology, English, social sciences. The last date for submission of application is 24 December 2020, and the application along with the supporting documents may be submitted to the office of the registrar RCERT Chandrapur. The date of interview shall be communicated individually to the shortlisted candidates. And here the email ID is given here. Okay, the two email IDs are there. One is the principal and second one is the registrar. So if you want to apply, okay, then you may check down guys here. And here the hard copy they are asking. Okay, the applications along with the supporting documents may be submitted to the office. Right. So these are the three different colleges, guys. So one is Chandrapur, and second one is the Kolhapur, and next one is Yeshwantapuram. So it is affiliated to JNTUH. So these are the three different types of colleges. Okay, and to get the more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC-NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC-NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.